Hello and welcome. In this video, I have a list of customers and the invoice number, invoice date, due date, and the gross amount. So the aim of this video is to select the due date, that is today's date, and then transfer the names or the details to sheet 2. So to do that, we shall need a VBA code, or that is a macro code. But before we go to the Visual Basic Editor, we need to put a condition here, that is using the conditional formatting to select only today's date, and that those are the names that we shall transfer to sheet 2. So let me select the cells in column D, so where we have the due date. Then we select condition formatting, that is new rule, then use a formula to determine which cells to format. So here then I put equal sign, then dollar sign, then D2. So $D2 means we have locked the column D, but we have not locked the row. So therefore, this can move up to the last row of the data. So this is equal to today. So we just type today. So today is a formula in Excel. So then you put the closed brackets, then the format. So we select a red color. So that is, we fill red. Then maybe font, we select white. And then that is okay. Then okay. So that now selects today's date only. So all these that are marked red, we shall transfer them using the VBA code to sheet 2. So the header column is the same as that of sheet 1. So without further ado, let us move on to the Visual Basic Editor. To do that, you click on Developer tab, then Visual Basic. So that is this one. Or alternatively, you can press Alt F11. So that way. So let me clear this module first. So then let me insert a new module. So to insert a module, just click on Insert Module. Then sub, we can call it Invoice. Then within this subroutine, so we can declare some variables, that is dim ws as worksheet, then sh as worksheet, and then maybe I as long, j as long, and maybe we have another variable a. Then set ws equal to sheet 1, and then sh equal to, that is set sh equal to sheet 2. and then here we can say I is equal to 1. Then we shall use the do while loop, so we can say do while cells in column A, so that is I comma 1 should not be empty. So that is the signs here means empty. Then this symbol here means not equal to, and of course here we have the cell which has the row, so the I there represent the row and this one represent the column. So that will be a variable because we shall loop. So down here we can type loop, and this will be I is equal to I plus 1. So then what about J? So J will equal to, so it will be counting the rows. So far one of the row has been utilized. If we go back to the worksheet, so the first row is utilized, that is in sheet 2. So therefore J will equal to sheet 2 dot cells in brackets rows dot count. So then that is dot count comma 1. So that is, it will be counting the rows in column 1 dot end exlop dot row. So therefore J when counting for the first instance it will be equal to 1. So then in sheet 1, so we shall offset the first row that is continuing up to the last row. So therefore range that is the first row A1 to E1 dot offset. So I comma 0. So the 0 there represent the first, that is the first column. Then dot value. Then sheet 2 dot range sh dot cells. So J plus 1 comma 1. So that is the first column in sheet 2. Then we go to the last column. So sheet 2 dot cells J plus 1 comma 5. Since we have 5 columns, close the brackets twice. So this is equal to A, and A is supposed to be this one. So that is the offset here. So A should be the same as that. So we have A is equal to that. So once it is offset, then it is taken by sheet 2. And then up here we can now clear the cells in sheet 2 starting from the second row. So we have sh dot range A2 E up to 1000 dot clear clear contents. So then here we have, so since we shall be looping j, so we put j is equal to j plus 1. So here we need to put more conditions. So we said that if d, so we need to put d here. So d is equal to sheet 2 dot range. So since we are repeating the same thing, so we shall just take this and we call it d. So d is equal to, so it is equal to that. But here now we put a d1. And then here we put a condition that if d is not equal to date, so the date there means today's date, so that is the VBE, or the VBA will recognize that as today's date. So if d is not equal to date, then so do nothing, so nothing will be done there. So I simply remark out and say do nothing. But if d, so I say else if d is equal to date, then now we can offset this. So let me cut that one and I paste it down here. So we can call that row, or we can offset it. So then, and if and I think we are through. So let us test that by looking at sheet 2. So let us press F8. There is a variable not defined, so that is d. So can say comma d. Then let us press F8. So there is a type mismatch here, so that is this one. After copying, we never removed a. So let us press F8 again. So press F8. Continue pressing F8. So there's something missing there. So this cell here, so refers to the cells in sheet 1. So we need to put ws dot cells. So then let us try again to press F8. So that is press F8. So once you press F8, you can see the first row there. I mean the second row is having, so then the third, and so on. So let us stop it and we run it all at once. So by pressing this green button, so press that one and you have only the dates, that is today's date, indicated here in the due date column. So we can also put a button here. So by going to the Quick Excel toolbar, so you select Options, so let me select, so that is the Quick Access toolbar. Then we select the current document here. So then macros, then invoice, so we add it there. Then modify, so you can select any symbol here. So let me choose the down arrow there, then okay. So now if we click here, only these dates that are marked in red will be taken to sheet 2. So let us press the button here, and that is what we have in column D. So thank you for watching my video. So in the next video we shall continue with this particular video to see how this invoice data can be sent through the Outlook application that is in the body of the mail. So please subscribe to my video and see you in my next video. Thank you.